Are you facing issues in biological scripting? Join BioCode's course called Advanced Bioinformatics Scripting course, which includes scripting in Python, BioPython R, and BioConductor. In this course, you'll learn about BLAST database searching, parsing and extraction, sequence analysis and alignment, phylogenetic analysis, data visualization using ggplot2, gene enrichment analysis, microarray analysis using BioConductor, RNA sequencing analysis, and many more. This course is completely hands-on and everything from basics to advanced level scripting will be taught. This is how your screen will look like after starting this course. You can select any lesson that you want to learn. You can watch the video according to your own pace, and under the video you will find two attachments. One is the transcriptions for the video and the other one is the PowerPoint presentation on the lesson. And if you have to ask any question, you will just go to the browse Q&A section, write your question here and click on submit my question. In case you need any help with course selection, email us through support@biocode.org.uk.